really love this course. Like, I've grown up around like farming and stuff my whole life. This course to me is just like what I was kind of made for. Like, not to sound cliche or anything like that, but it's literally like the perfect thing for me. Like, I finally feel like this is my purpose. I love it so much, and it's just one of the best things ever.
I'd say my favourite part of this course is that I work with a variety of different animals, and it can range from crested geckos and rabbits and dagoos, and then it's like a drastic turn to next minute I'm cuddling baby lambs and I'm walking and grooming donkeys. Like, I didn't think that on a normal Monday morning I'd be walking donkeys, but honestly it's the most amazing thing I can even think of. Like, I feel really proud that I can just go, yeah, I walk donkeys on a Monday morning. That's what I do.
Temple Newsam is a really special place to study. It's a 250-acre historical estate. It's got a wide variety of habitats. It's got Victorian glasshouses. It's got one of the largest rare breed farms in Europe. It's really unique for learners to study in a setting like this. There's nowhere similar like this in the country. One of the biggest aims for staff here is to make sure that students are practically competent in their fields, and students get access to a minimum of 4 hours practical a week, if not more, and they're working in a real working environment where they're working with animals on the farm and in an animal care centre and in all the horticultural settings. And we want students to have those really employable skills which they really practice and embed regularly to make sure that they're best in their field. And there's a really natural, holistic approach to teaching and learning in this environment because we all have similar interests, both staff and students, so it's a really great place to work and to study.
Even though it's an animal course, oddly enough, I've learnt to actually hold a conversation with people and stuff like that. Like, when I joined this, because you have to work as a team and stuff like that, I've learnt to be a more sociable person and be more comfortable with who I am around people as well.
I'd say even just day to day, I feel much happier. Like, I come in and I think if it's raining and this weather's grey, it'll put me down in a mood, but then I'll be like, wait a minute, I'm going to clean something out, or I'm going to walk the donkeys or groom an animal, and it just makes you feel a bit better about yourself because you're making a difference to that animal. You're improving its day as well, and then it's so rewarding when you see what you've done and that animal's had a better enclosure or they've been fed, and animals are just so affectionate and close to people. It makes you feel so overwhelmed with comfort and happiness. It's crazy.
I genuinely just feel so at home, and it's I'm looking after these animals and I'm how I'm actually looking after life. People find that in wanting to be a midwife and stuff like that. I find it here because it's so beautiful. It's the other day we had baby lambs being born left, right and centre. It was crazy, and it's I get to look after these as well until the end of their life, and it's just so bizarre that I've got so much responsibility, but it isn't an overwhelming amount because it's something that I really love and I find peace in.